In this video, we present an application designed and integrated by our partner Sormec for an automotive company needing to handle various components, including cylindrical parts that are challenging to feed with traditional systems. An additional challenge came from the high number of variants for each individual part, requiring frequent changeovers and maximum production flexibility. The solution features 4 flexible 800 units, 2 of which operate in multiple parts feeding mode, combined with 2 different robots, an Epson SCARA robot for picking and placing the first 4 parts, and a Kawasaki anthropomorphic robot for handling the remaining components. Vision guidance and a compact, modular design guarantee stable part orientation and quick, tool-free changeovers. The result, 0 tooling time, 120 parts per hour, and smooth, flexible production, even with complex parts.